Hello everybody, I'm Gwen, I'm the Simple Marketer, and welcome to this video. Now this video is all about the inside look at the Power Lead system. Now I know how I have done many videos on the Power Lead system, but I don't think I can talk enough about the Power Lead system and the levels that you can come in on. Okay, so even though I've talked about it in quite a few videos, I'm going to go over it again because there's still some people out there who don't quite understand what the Power Lead system is all about. Okay, so I am going to learn to look over there. I'm always looking down there. Y'all notice my videos? I'm always looking. Okay, yeah, you over there. Okay, so yeah, a lot of people still don't really understand anything about the Power Lead system. Okay, so I'm just going to go over some features, okay, that the Power Lead system offers everyone. Okay, now including a blog. Now the blog is a new feature of the Power Lead system. Okay, and I'm getting ready to take advantage of the blog. I'm getting ready to start blogging. Okay, so I'm really excited about that. I'm getting ready to start that for the fall and the winter season, because you guys know we are in on September the 2nd actually today. Okay, so the Power Lead system blog is one of the newest features of the Power Lead system. Okay, so I'm excited to start my blog, and I'm going to take you guys on the journey with me. Now the blog is going to be about direct mail marketing. Okay, because some of you might not know, but I did join a direct mail program. I'm waiting for my welcome kit to come in the mail, and of course, as soon as it comes in the mail, I'm going to share what's inside the welcome kit with you guys. Okay, so the blog is going to be basically about the new program that I've joined, and it's going to be about direct mail marketing. It's going to house my blog posts, my videos, and all of that good stuff. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys with me on that journey. Okay, so the Power Lead system is beginning to offer everything that you need to be a smart marketer online. Okay, everything that you need to market your product or services. Okay, including a blog. Okay, so as you can see here, the free lead system forever is actually free. Okay, the main purpose is to build your list. Like I always say, start with building your list. That's the main reason why I love giving away the free lead system, because it's a beginning for new marketers to start building your email list. Okay, so if you're serious about this, you're going to want to start building your email list, and there's no better way to build an email list than with one of the most best lead magnets out there, and that is a complete list building system that you can get free and give it away free. Okay, it will build a huge list for you and get you started in building your list. Okay, even though you're not going to be getting commissions, the main purpose of the free lead system is to get you started on building your email list. Okay, and then we go from that to Lead Lightning. Okay, a done for you system, basic but a full sales funnel to upsell more products. One-time payment of $7. Okay, commission is 85% up to $526. Okay, so Lead Lightning, okay, is an upsell for you guys. Okay, and that is a one-time payment of $7. Okay, and then as we move down, okay, we have the Silver membership. Okay, so with the Silver membership, it's an upgrade from Lead Lightning with an access to amazing training and courses to help you learn how to market. Okay, and you will become a customer for only $29.97. So I always round it off to like $30 a month. Okay, so $29 and $4.97. Okay, so if someone buys this from you that you get in, you will get a $15 commission. Okay, every time someone comes in on the silver membership, if you are a silver member yourself. Okay, so that is the silver membership. Okay, but when I came in, I came straight in on the gold membership, which is a good whopping, what is this? This is a centerpiece of the Power Lead system, the most complete marketing system in the internet. A center hub to market as many businesses as you want. Okay, so with an awesome leverage commission system, $30 a month for the system, plus $23.97 for an affiliate program. Okay, so the complete thing is like 54 something. Okay, for the complete gold membership. Okay, it's like 54.97, something like that. Okay, for the gold membership. Okay, so this information is a little probably old or something. Okay, so this is the gold membership. This is where I came in on. Okay, so if you just skip the silver and go straight to the gold, you will automatically get silver commissions if someone comes in at the silver. Okay, even though you didn't get it, but you went straight to the gold, you will still get the $15 commissions. Okay, if someone that you get in decide that they don't want to go to gold, they want the silver membership. Okay, so just so you remember that. Okay, so it's very important, okay, that you remember that. Okay, so now customer, this is a gold without the affiliate for those who just want to use the system for their business. Okay, if you just want to use the system for your business, that's $30 a month. Okay, just to be a customer of the Power Lead system. Okay, so that's $1 per day. That's a giveaway. Okay, if you just want to use the Power Lead system to build out your pages to sell your own products. Okay, you can do that. Okay, for $30 a month. Okay, so then we have the Diamond membership. Only for gold members, a great course, okay, is included in the Diamond membership. You learn about solos and co-ops up to thousands of dollars without spending a dime. It's a $147 one-time payment. Commission is $100 every time someone buys the Diamond from you and you are a gold member and you have bought the Diamond yourself for $147. Okay, so when someone else buys it that you get in, that is $100 commissions for you. Okay, with overrides of $25. Okay, so I know that, so a lot of people still get a little confused when it comes to the Power Lead system. So I always say the best way to really understand the system is to get in it and start working it and start getting sales, and then you will learn better that way on how you're going to get paid. Okay, because you're actually doing it and you're seeing the payments. Okay, if you're marketing the right way, you will see payments over and over again. Okay, so that is really one of the best ways to learn about the Power Lead system. And then you have the Platinum. It's only for gold members, the most complete Facebook marketing course with a huge video library of study cases. And that is $497 one-time payment. Your commissions when someone else buys it, if you buy it, is $400. Okay, with an override of $50. Okay, and they have a new product. Is what is the new product? It's over $1,000 for the new product, and again, it is an in-depth look at more marketing and teaches you more about marketing. And the name, I can't think of the name of that last product. It is the newest product of the Power Lead system. Okay, my head, I can't really think of what the most newest product is all about, but let's look at it here. Okay, as I scroll down here, you see the free lead system here, right here, is free. Okay, as you see, 0 lifetime, 0 free lead system. Okay, so an upsell would be Lead Lightning for a one-time payment of $7, and you will receive $6 unlimited commissions over and over again. Okay, and then you have PLS, the Power Lead system. If you just want to be a customer only, that's $30 a month. Okay, $30 a month just to be a customer. And of course, all the way you'll see what all is included. Of course, I'm not going over that. Okay, you get the website integration, ad tracking, lead capture pages, custom sales pages, sales funnels, Aweber integration. If you are an Aweber user, you can integrate Aweber with your Power Lead system. You got autoresponders already written for you that is going to go out to your potential customers. You got customer email list and follow-up series. All that's done for you in your back office. Email messaging, contact managers, high quality, effective training. Okay, you get all of that. Okay, and that's with the $30 a month. Now for the $7 payment here, you get done for you system basic, but a full sales funnel to upsell more products. Okay, a perfect starter list building system for newbies. Okay, only a one-time payment again of $7, no monthly fee. Okay, no monthly fee comes with that. And you get affiliate payout of unlimited $6 commissions per sale. Complete marketing system. You get lead capture pages, sales pages that's already done for you. Email autoresponder. Again, okay, all in your back office of Lead Lightning. Okay, then for your the free list building, you get automatically generate your own unique leads on autopilot, provides a proven sales funnel to generate massive amounts of free leads. Okay, allows the members to keep it free forever, allows members to try our premium version with a 7-day free trial, allows members to easily keep our premium version free each month. Okay, so again guys, if you just want to use it to build your list and all of that, you can use the free lead system for that. I'm going to leave all the links in the description, okay, below. Hopefully this will help you guys out with the Power Lead system. And like I said, that I am getting ready to start my direct mail program that I joined. Is called the Millionaire Mailer, and I'm waiting for my welcome kit to come in the mail. I'm going to share that with you guys, and I am getting ready to start a blog right within the Power Lead system. Okay, because this is a new feature that the Power Lead system offers. Okay, which is a blog. Let's go check it out. Let's see if I can check out the blog. Okay, in the Power Lead system. Okay, this is the area in which the blog is. You can choose a domain name for your blog. The templates that you have, this one is called Extra. You can preview it. Here it is right here. I kind of like this for a blog post. I'm really looking at Extra, and there's a reason why, because it has a sidebar. And this is your sidebar here. This is an extra area on your blog that you can use, okay? And I like that. I like that for all of my blogs. You have the middle part, and then you have the sidebar, okay? So basically, this is the one that I'm actually looking at. I'm very seriously looking at that one, okay? And here's a few more that you can check out. Alright, we just saw that one. and this one's called Fable, and this one is a blog. Okay, but I'm not really crazy about these blogs. You just have the middle part here to put your content. Okay, you have the middle part, which is fine. You know, most people like this. Okay, and but it's not my preference. Okay, it's not my preference. Okay, and let's see what we have here. We have the shop style, kind of like this one. You know, I like the style of this blog. Okay, that's Fable again. Let's see if it. Okay, that's Fable again. Okay, so we want to see shop style. Okay, here it is, shop style. Kind of like this one, even though everything's in the middle again. And here you go, right here. You can actually add your own little store. Okay, this can be your own little store right here. That's why it's called shop style. Okay, so the Power Lead system really didn't leave anything out. Okay, so if you want to sell your own products, okay, shop style will help you do that in the Power Lead system. Okay, products and pricing. Okay, so the Power Lead system thought of everything. Okay, so let's look at a few more. This one is called Nexus. Okay, this is Nexus. Now, a lot of people like this, but I don't, because to me it's like a little too busy. You know, you have all of this, all of that. It's kind of busy for me. Okay, it's a little too busy for me. But this is one, and you have all of this. This is sort of like a sidebar too, but it's just a little too busy for me. But a lot of people like it, and they use it, you know. Okay, and this is called Nexus. Okay, but this is, I'll show you the one that I'm thinking, as a matter of fact, I know I'm going to use it. And it's the very last one, and it's called Lucid. I'm going to show you Lucid because I'm thinking that I am going to edit this one. And this one is going to end up being, right here, this one is going to end up being my direct mail marketing blog. Okay, right here. This one's going to end up being my direct mail marketing blog. As you can see, the sidebar here and the middle part here. Okay, so I like that. Alright, so I really like this one. Okay, and as you can see, it's not as busy as the other ones. You can really focus in on a particular topic, okay, that you might be blogging about that day. Okay, so now in this video, I'm going to show you how I use the Power Lead system to market some of my products. Okay, so that's what's coming up next. Okay, so welcome back. Now, before I close out this video, let's go over this one right here. The $53.97 level per month is what you're going to be paying for this one. And what you're going to get is provides you a way to leverage your affiliate income, okay? Your affiliate income. All right, it's a marketing Powerly system of tools and training. Okay, your own personal unlimited blog, like what I just got finished talking about. And if someone doesn't purchase, there is no commission. Okay, so there you have it. Let's see, to scroll down here. Includes system, lead lightning, and custom marketing suite. Okay, your own success is based upon your own marketing skills and hard work. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, and share this video, and subscribe to the Good, the Bad, and the Ugly in Web Traffic so that you won't miss any of my videos. I'm going to be keeping you guys updated with everything that I am doing for the fall and the winter. Okay, thanks, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye bye.